If you clicked on these videos because you want to know how I landed my first job after 9 months of learning to code, and that's what I'm going to share with you guys today, from the time I started coding in August 2021 until April 2022 when I got in the office as a dev, full-time dev. So yep, that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. By the way, if you don't know who I'm Amin. I left Canada when I was 17. Now I'm settled in Asia, doing coding as a living, and I help aspiring developers do the same. By the way, if you're learning to code or you want to learn to code, you don't know if it's good for you or you should learn to code, I have a free gift for you at the end of the video, so you should stay until the end. And if you're ready guys, let's start. So in August 2021, I watched my first HTML video. I remember the time, really happy about making my first website. And I also joined a bootcamp in Algeria. It was like $300 a month, really expensive at the time in Algeria. And I learned HTML, CSS, so the basic with JavaScript and PHP. So I joined this bootcamp for like 3 months just to learn the basic and build a small network. And after the 3 months with them, I got an advice from my mentor to join a community, a dev community, just to learn more and have friends where I can, when we can teach each other and like just help each other. And so yeah, after that 3 months, I joined a community in Algeria where we have like challenges and hackathons and stuff. And I learned with them a new stack, which was not PHP and stuff, but it was MySQL, but it was the MERN stack, really trendy at the time. So MongoDB, React, Express, Node. And I did that for like 3 months. So 3 months of bootcamp, 3 months with this community, learned a lot. But after the 6th month, I told myself, look, it's been 6 months you're learning, now it might be time to find a job. It's time to find a job and to start sending a resume. So that's what I did. I built a LinkedIn profile, sending connection to other people, other devs, speaking with them, making posts. I remember I made a post got a little bit viral at the time for me, 30 likes or reaction. It was about JavaScript vs TypeScript. Really happy about that one. And I was just getting myself out in the jungle, in the market. And after like 2 months of sending resumes, I don't know how much company I've sent my resume to, didn't got any offer. Didn't got any offer. Really upsetting, because I thought it was easy, but actually not. And after that, I went to the community Discord where we have, and I was just trying to figure out how I will be able to get a job. And in the community, they had like an opportunity channel where students would share like companies who are looking for junior devs and stuff. And there were an opportunity about, like my friend sent in the channel, about opportunity for a company called Relicin. And I went to LinkedIn to postulate to it. And to my surprise, the CEO already sent me a message from the same company I was looking to postulate. And the reason why is because it was a company close to my house. So I think he just looked in the search bar, React Dev, and the algorithm suggested him like people close to the office. And so he sent me a message, hey Amin, I saw that you're React Dev, we're looking for junior developers, please send me a resume if you're interested. And that's what I did. I sent him a custom resume, so I built a new one just for the company because I was really motivated. I was shocked, like usually I'm sending resume and this one, the CEO is sending to me first. So I was really shocked, and I got to the second phase. So I got to the second phase of the interview process, where it was an app. We had to build a product management app with React, Express, Node, and MongoDB. And that's what I did. It was like a 1 week period. So I invest all my time, like from morning to night, I was just building this project. Bear in mind, the time before, so like the 8 months before, I learned coding, but not really, because I was only watching videos, which was a really big problem. I was just watching videos on YouTube, but not actually building something by myself. Because I was building project with teams and stuff, but I wasn't doing it by myself. So it was the first real project I was doing by myself. And I learned a lot. Even if I didn't get the job, I think it would have been worth it to do the project because I learned so much. And so yeah, after 1 week, I was happy and I sent it to the CEO. and he told me like after that there were I think 120 people that had sent their project, and I was from the six who got to the third phase. And I was really happy when I received this message, getting to the third phase, so the interview phase. And so I get to the office because he told me like come next week in the office. I went there. I talked with the tech lead. He asked me some question. I was really bad. I couldn't answer to his question. Some yes, but most of them no because I wasn't experienced, and I was really upset at myself. But at the end, I told the tech lead, look, I'm a junior dev. I didn't answer all your questions, but I'm really motivated, and I know if you give me this opportunity, I will be able to like to deliver, and I'm gonna be able to take this position. And they trust me, so I'm really happy, I'm really grateful for that. Alhamdulillah, and I got like a message one day or 2 days after, really fast, and the CEO told me like you got the job. I'm gonna send you an email. Please sign the contract and come next Monday. And so yeah, Alhamdulillah, I went there, and I signed the contract, everything, go with the documents, you know, like the document stuff. And Alhamdulillah, I think it was Monday when I joined. I got my desk with you know my coffee glass. Alhamdulillah, I got this job. This was my first job. After 9 months, I was doubting it. Will I be able or not? And after 9 months, I was able. And so yeah, guys, that's pretty much how I got my job. I didn't talk too much about how exactly I learned to code. That might be in another video. I was really focused on how I got the job, like through the interview process, and like how I got the offer and stuff. And so yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. By the way, I hope this helped you, like motivate you, because it took me 9 months. Maybe for you it's gonna be less. Maybe for you it's gonna be more. Depends on the person. But just continue, work on real project yourself, and at the end you will get it. You will get it. And so yeah, guys, I hope you liked the video. The gift I wanted to give you is one-on-one call. Actually, now I'm offering free one-on-one calls, maybe for like 10 people, maybe more, maybe less. But at the moment, I think I'm gonna do it for 10 people, just to get like some review and some social proof. So after I can monetize it. So if you want, so 10 people, 10 places, you can click in the link in the description to get this free call. You can ask me what you want. You want to learn to code, a roadmap. You want you don't know if you should learn to code or not. So feel free to have this call with me. Please like, comment, share. I will answer to the comments, so comment down below, and see you guys in the next one.